Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. Here we go then. It's the 14,000 subscribers giveaway. Again, a huge shout out to everyone that's showing support on the channel. I really can't thank you all enough. And we are already flying towards that 15,000. So there's going to be two prizes up for grabs. Both winners are going to receive one 2019 A to Z, Z for zebra crossing 10p coin each. The mintage figures of these coins were released earlier on in the week, and I never really did think that these coins would be so rare. So all you need to do to enter is start your comment with 14,000 in that comment section below. You've got until 6 PM tomorrow to enter. The prize draw will go up just after 6 PM and we'll get these coins out to 2 lucky winners at home. If you have won a prize in the last couple of weeks and not received it, do send an email to my email address. As you can see, a couple of emails already starting to form in there. I know that we have had a bit of a problem with one batch of the coins that went out from prize giving. Unfortunately, sometimes these things do happen, but I do always try my best to get replacements out there for everyone. You will receive the coins that you do deserve, and I am always true to my word with that. So for this one, guys, start it with 14,000 below. Good luck, have a really nice weekend, everyone. And as always, thanks for watching.